Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you are fine. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you my roof tour. I mean my house roof tour. इसमें मैं आपको अपनी छत के बारे में बताऊंगी, मतलब मेरी छत में कैसा है, मेरी छत कैसी है, कैसे मैंने उसको रख रखा है, क्या प्लान्स मैंने रखे. तो गाइस, let's start this video. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Let's start. So guys, first is this big Audi. You can say this big Audi, and from here I can see my wedding point and all kind of house. And as you can see in the banner here, it shows the garden of my house, and here's my house. Let's go. There's a tanker, okay, and here we can walk, and the paint is of blue. This is a wire because of network Wi-Fi. Okay, that is also one tanker, 1 2, and there's also that I will show you. So let's go there. So guys, there is a step where we can see the different types of houses. Every one houses. Let's see. Cool. And this is pink. So let's go to small Audi, and that I will show you in the last. Boom. So guys, this is one door in which we came from outside to roof, and this is my small roof. This is also shelter. I will show you later on. First, you can see this. Here's a banner where you can see our wedding points, and all the sides there are banners. This is one more tank, and there's also one. So guys, this is my room. Right now it's messy, so I will be cleaning it. Then I will show you to once again with my home tour. So let's go there. So there's the tanker, guys, and all the messy things like my vegetables, haldi, atta, gehu, okay, flour. Okay, let's go. It's going to be night also, and let's continue. So guys, there's one more roof that I will show you